Hi guys, thanks for coming again. As I said in the previous video, I'm gonna explain how to use T-Money card in a Naver Map. This one. See? This is my T-Money card and it looks too plain, doesn't it? Yeah, anyway, I wanna have some Kakao one. With this T-Money card, you can go around in cities easily and cheaper. Not only it gives you a discount for a single ride, also for transfer as well. You can transfer anyways from one vehicle to another vehicle up to 5 times within 30 minutes from getting off. You can buy this card at convenience stores such as Just25, 7-Eleven, CU. There are also convenience stores at the airport, so you can easily purchase the card at airport too. Let's take a look at how to top up this card at a machine at subway station, but also you can top it up at convenience stores too. Let's go! This is ticket machine we'll be using. Nothing's really difficult to use this. There will always be an English option. Even though you don't have a car, you can still buy a one-way ticket, but you will not be able to transfer to buses. To top up this card, touch the reloading on the screen and simply place your card below. Touch the amount of money you want and insert money here and wait, then you're good to go. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Naver Map. I have already downloaded on my phone because I use. Let's get started. This is basic interface of this app. Below, you have icons you can search what's near you, like restaurants, cafes, banks, and etc. Just click whatever you want to find out in your area. Let's go back. Click the bus icon here. You can save your most frequent route. It could be home to school if you're a student, or home to work if you work. But to use this function, you need to sign up for Naver. I haven't used it. This is the same one Google Map has. It shows where you are now. Just like this, I am here. This one also have a subway map here. You don't need to bring the paper map anymore with this app. Here you can set the destination, but it only shows you by train, not useful all the time. Here, this is where you guys put your destination. Let's go to Hongik University Seoul campus from Seoul Station, for example. To Seoul Station. This app gives you recommended fastest, less walking, and less transfers. Fastest, sometimes it needs more transfers, so I don't prefer. So let's go with the recommended one. And in case you don't want to transfer, you can take this one, but it takes about 43 minutes. This one, you need to transfer one time, but it takes 30 minutes. Let's go with the transfer one because I need to show you guys. So in this case, you need to walk into line number 4 through exit number 14 and board on a train for Oido bound. It takes 4 minutes and 2 stops to get to Samgakji station. There are many screens on a train look like this. This will show you what is the next stop. You won't get lost with it. And then here you need to transfer. You need to transfer to line number 6 and board on a train for Eungam loop bound. To transfer, it's easy if you follow the color of the line. It will lead you to the next train. And in 9 minutes, you will get to the Sangsu station. Here, you need to walk to Hongik University Seoul campus. And if you don't know the way, just click this one and then it will show you how to get there from Sangsu station to Hongik Daekyo, Hongik University. That's it. This is how you use this app. This is pretty simple. Hi guys, that's it for today's video. It wasn't as organized as I thought and planned, but if I keep doing this, I'll get a lot better by time. Thanks for watching this video again. I will bring a better video with a better explanation next time. Thank you very much. See you. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Naver Map. I have already downloaded here, Hi guys, I'm gonna use Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the Naver Map. I have downloaded already. Downloaded. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Naver Map. Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Naver Map because Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to use Naver Map. I have already downloaded already. Let's go to Hongik University Station. And you need to put Incheon International, and you need to put Incheon International Airport.